So I have over here the rubber bands, and there are different types of rubber bands, and you need some big rubber bands and you can heal yourself. Like some people have shaking fingers, so you really need to put rubber band on your finger, like two, and think that some old lady is there and it's your grandmother or your grandfather and their hands keep shaking. When you give a cup of coffee, their hands will be shaking and they cannot drink their coffee, and it spills over. So just take some rubber bands, tell them to just put it into their fingers, and let them do this exercise, and this will really help. So they really need to stretch with the rubber band. This is known as rubber band exercise, and if they want to do for the full hand exercise, you need to give them a full big rubber band, and they need to open their fingers, as you can see. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all had a very good weekend and had a nice time with your family. Friends, today I'll be sharing a very good information and nice exercises for for the fingers. Mostly this happens to old people, and it comes due to age and all, because their flexibility goes and all. So most of the people, when they have this kind of a problem, they cannot hold things and they cannot hold a cup of coffee or something, and if you give people something, their hands will be shaking like this and it suddenly falls off. So I'll be sharing exercises, why does it happen, and why, what we can do to make our fingers strong and all, friends. So over here I have some rubber bands, and rubber bands can be of different like over here, they are colorful rubber bands and they are smaller in size, but you'll be needing big rubber bands and small rubber bands, and you can use the hair ties also. So first of all, the fingers shake, we need to do we need to take care of two fingers at one time. So you can just put 2 or 3 rubber bands onto your fingers, and if you have grandparents, you can do this to them also. So you can do first for two fingers, like I have tied over here, like I have put 2 rubber bands, as you can see. So you have to put one rubber band in 2 fingers and one rubber band in 2 fingers. So now you'll just open and close your fingers. So it's like this. Just open, close, open, close, open, close. So this can be repeated many times. So now I'm removing one rubber band, and now we'll be doing it for 3 fingers. So it's 1, 2, 3. So you'll just try to do it, but you need a bigger rubber band. So sticking off. So I have taken a big hair tie now. So now it will become hard doing it in all the fingers. So just you can put 4 fingers, one rubber band, and you can do it like for 4 fingers. So that will make this is little more. You can take different sizes of rubber bands. So now I took one rubber band for all the 4. So now just try to do it for 4 fingers. So like this. So 4 fingers, and now you want to do for all the 5 fingers. So just do this. So this exercise helps so much that you can do it. You actually can do it at home for your own self. You can do it for your own self, and you can do it without nobody seeing it also, if you feel embarrassed or something. So you can just do this exercise. So I've put over here 2 rubber bands. So 2 for this finger and 2 for this finger. So you can just do this. And if you want to do more exercise, you have already put two rubber bands. Now put the third rubber band, and try to do it with more complication and more hard way. So it's like that. So however you feel comfortable with whichever rubber bands you have, just feel comfortable and do it according to your wish. So this is the exercise which will really help. So now I'll remove this, and I'll put it on the whole fingers now. So I'll do this now. I hope you all can see me well. So this is the exercise. If you have sometimes cramps in your fingers also, this will really be so helpful and nice. And you can do it now. You can change your position, and now you can do for thumb and thumb. So this is the exercise for the thumb. So now you want to do it for the two fingers. So this is really nice. So then you keep changing your fingers actually. So however you feel comfortable, just do it on your fingers. Now you come to your fourth finger. That's your ring finger, and again you do it. Then again you come to the little finger. So that's one. And now you can do for your whole hands. And you can start clapping also, because clapping by itself is a good exercise and activates your whole hands and your muscles and your hands, and it relieves your constipation. It hits your thyroid glands and all, which will make your thyroid go well. And also this is the exercise. And yeah, so you can do this your so this exercise will really help you in mostly for the grandparents and all who have shaking fingers. It opens like a flower, so it will really help you. Rubber band exercise is a very good exercise. And now we come to each finger. So now if you have some throat pain or something, so you can put a rubber band here. So make sure that the blood doesn't get clot onto your fingers and it doesn't become red and blue over your side. So if you put rubber band on this finger, it's good for your throat and thyroid and all. And this one, it's very good for your hands, your wrist, and your elbows. It will help you in gaining good strength in your elbows and all. Then you can just keep changing it into every finger, and every finger has its own this one. And the middle finger is for your back pain and spondylitis and all. So it's very good. So now you come to the ring finger, and ring finger is associated with the weight gain and all that, and that also it will help and activate it well. And this finger is related to your heart also, so it's very good for your heart also. So that's why people have wedding rings on their fourth finger. That's the ring finger. And the little finger is all about urinary problems and all, so it will really help all the UTIs and all. So it's all good, and you can do so much with rubber band itself. And now I'll just put it on my toes also and show you. So friends, how easy those exercises were, and they were so effective that everybody will feel the advantage of it. When you're doing, you'll start feeling a very good feeling altogether. So if you have enjoyed my video, and if you have liked all the tips which I gave you, and these were the tips which I got it from my grandparents, so I hope people who have this problem benefit from it. And if you have liked it, like it, and if you think that somebody else needs it, share it with your friends, family, relatives, neighbors, everyone, friends. And if you have liked it, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Take care.